Welcome to Home Buying Made Easy. I am Michael, and this is Joshua.
I'm not Michael.
I'm Rachel.
Pointed at Michael.
I'm Michael.
You're Michael. Do you
I'm
know your
Michael.
name?
That's Joshua.
There we go.
That's
I'm Rachel.
Proud
Rachel.
of you, bud.
Here I am.
You did it.
Rachel. AI.
No, not AI.
I
don't
feel
think-
like I don't
see
have the
her.
voice for AI.
She's got googly eyes.
Okay.
You know, I didn't realize you could do this. You should try this. If you go to ChatGPT and you can do the voice thing where she'll talk,
Mm-hmm.
and you tell. I've watched this happen in a reel. You ask her to count to 1,000,000.
Whoa.
She will argue with you. Say, that's really funny, but it's going to take a really long time for me to count to 1,000,000. I don't think you really want to do that. And then you say, okay, I'm going to change your voice to a male voice. And I'm going to ask the male voice, do you think the male voice is going to actually start counting or argue with me? And you change the voice to the male voice and say, start counting to 1,000,000. And the male voice says, okay, let's get started. 1, 2, 3. The woman was arguing over doing it,
Yeah.
and the male just started doing
She didn't
what
wanna
he's
count.
supposed to do.
She didn't want to count.
Complications.
Do you blame her? Do you want to? Can you start counting to 1,000,000, please?
1,
2,
2, go. 3,
4,
5,
6. So I have evens. You have odds. Is that how this?
Yes.
8,
9,
10.
11.
Okay.
13.
So today.
See, she
is
started arguing.
Mythbuster
proven.
Monday.
Mythbuster Monday, and we are going to bust a myth.
Ninja. No? Ninja.
Weird.
No?
It's just weird.
Wasn't
Why
there?
is it weird?
There was a song.
It's only
called-
weird because you made it weird.
There's
It
a
was
song
weird
called
before.
"Bust a Move." Let's do bust a myth.
MC. Someone.
Hammer? No,
No,
I don't,
not MC Hammer. Actually, might
I don't think did.
bust a move. Might be.
We'll have to look it up. We go to chat.
Tell us in the comments who sings that song.
Yeah,
Do you have comments on podcasts? I think you do, right? Maybe.
I don't know.
I don't know. Write us a review.
Tell you what.
Tell us.
Yell it out in the car.
Yeah. Just start singing spontaneously, but make sure the windows are down.
For sure. Hello. Are you? Is there a? Are we actually going to get to this?
Yeah, I was
She's
waiting
texting.
for y'all.
Okay,
She's texting. What's your
she's
boyfriend's
looking
name?
up the song.
Hmm? What's your boyfriend's name?
It's by Young MC.
Young MC.
See, I got the
You
MC,
get the
part.
MC part.
MC.
Anyways,
I
okay.
get 50 points
Monday Mythbuster.
Yep.
Also, I don't have a boyfriend, so
for that. You sure?
I'll give you 500 points.
Allegedly.
I feel like I would know.
Allegedly.
Okay, the Mythbuster for today is you lose your VA loan benefit after using it once. One and done.
That's not true.
Not true.
Myth busted.
All right, and that's been the episode. Yeah, so you can use it multiple times. We just have to calculate what your eligibility is. If you're not sure what that is or how much you're able to qualify for, then reach out to your local mortgage loan officer, and we'd be happy to calculate that up for you.
That's true. A lot of times, the really interesting thing is we were able to do a loan. This was last year. We did a loan, and it was $1.7 million, and we used his eligibility. He actually did 100% loan, and there was no cap.
100% meaning
No cap.
no down payment,
No cap.
no cap.
No lie.
That was
No cap.
Okay. Wow.
But 100% loan meaning like no down payment.
No down payment.
Yeah.
And like just closing costs, and that was it. So now when he gets ready to do another loan, he won't be able to do it because all of his eligibility was used.
You
I'm
won't be
sure.
able to do it without bringing some money.
Right, bringing money or down payment or getting rid of that property. He could get rid of that property and it's restored. And that's kind of, I think, where we needed to get, where your eligibility can be restored when you sell a property, or you can get a second one if there's enough eligibility left. Trick question, maybe. How much eligibility do you have to have in order to still use your VA loan?
You don't have to have eligibility. It would just, you might have to bring more of a down payment, right? No?
There is a number. Anyone?
3.
Nope.
D.
That's a good answer. You have to have $1.
$1.
That's it. If you pull up a certificate of eligibility and there's $1 left, then you can still get a VA loan.
Learn something new every day.
Yep. That is all that's required. Now you got to bring the rest of the down payment other than that $1.
I'll bring $1.
But yeah, I mean, as long as you have $1, you can still use your VA loan benefit. Pretty cool.
Okay.
So a lot of people will call and they'll have a house and they got it maybe with a low rate, and so they turn that property. They're going to move. They're going to turn that property later into an investment property. So they want to buy an upgrade into a new house. They'll call us, fill out a mortgage application, go through the pre-approval process, and when we pull their certificate of eligibility, we recently had one where they had to bring, I think it was $22,000 or $23,000 of down payment money, but the rest of the house, it was like $600,000 house, and the rest of it was covered. They just had to pay a part of the down payment.
There's options. Just gotta reach out and ask. In the mortgage process, there's no stupid questions. Just ask any question. We're happy to answer. Just reach out to us, because
that is
you just
a
don't
very
know.
true statement.
Yeah, sometimes you don't know. We're in it every day. Sometimes we forget things that are not common to other people that we talk about every day. And so reach out, ask for clarification, put it in the comments.
Or if you're in the car, yell it.
Maybe
Might not-
there's a loan
Might
officer
not get
walking
an
outside.
But you can yell it out.
If someone responds in your head, talk to somebody.
That's not a loan officer you need to talk to. That's somebody else.
That's a doctor.
Yes. All right.
There's an
We'll see you
office
next
for
episode. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye now.